Send it. Before he's bringing an engine crane, what are you doing in this? What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Pells Performance. If you joined us on the last episode, you see us whipping the engine out of the old A4. Today, we'll be whipping the engine out of this bad boy. So, kettle on, car in the air, and let's start wrenching. Let's get it. We got Lou, we got Vinny, we got the Mazza, now we got Mr. That drone bloke, J Billsby. Are you ready to start ripping an engine out of a Porsche or what? Right, so the whole squad have arrived. Say what's happening, everyone. So Lou come up with a great idea that as a send-off, we're gonna do a garage burnout. So let's get it. Yeah, he's feeling. Oh, send it. So that's that. That was the send-off. Now let's get it back up in the air and let's get this engine out of here. Drop the 180 in. Do you know what you're doing? There's definitely a bit missing. Definitely up here, 100%. Let's get this exhaust manifold off the start. Of course, she's still warm from that burnout, boys. Yes. Nick the Greek. Love it.
Is that not our Pells Performance?
That's Nick the Greek, mate. Get you anything you want. Cut the shotguns. It's a sausage fest under here. It stinks of rubber under here, I just don't know why. Oh mate, this boy's on it. Look at that old bad boy. 1985. Right, so up to yet, we've taken the power steering pump off, starter motor off, anti-roll bar off, exhaust off. So really, yeah, gloves off. So we've got to undo that, we've got to undo the torque tube, undo the engine mounts, or mounts, if you don't understand what I'm saying, that's mounts. We're only 20 minutes in up to yet, boys.
That's nearly there.
Yeah, mate. That and the torque tube, I mean, that's going to be the funnest bit to undo, isn't it? It's M4. We use me Olympic-sized swimming pool again, Bert. Where are we going? Are we actually ready for this? Oh, you're taking the pipe off, aren't you? We're going to send it with it. Here we go. So yeah, that's the clutch slave disconnected. Lou is literally disconnected the power steering pump as we speak. And then we have got the torque tube to take off and everything else to take off, really. Just keep watching or something. If you want. Go and make a cup of tea or whatever you drink, a rum and coke. Go on, just let it go. Oh, mint. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh my God. Oh my days, how much coolant's in there? I ain't even got a mop. Any last words?
Got anything for that?
I actually haven't got nothing for that, no. We're actually gonna have to work around that now and I'm in sliders. Oh, here we go. Man's got a Kleenex. One sheet does plenty. Right, so that's everything unbolted from the bottom. The car's been dropped down. Now we're gonna start wrenching from the top and let's get this engine out of here. What you got there? There she goes. That makes a bit more room, mate. Airlock's out. Oh, man, look at that. Yes, boys. Nice. Perfection. Oh, mate, here comes the rad. We're gonna lift the engine out as it is. All we've got to do now is the loom. It's either gonna crack it or it ain't, mate. Go for it. Oh, I'm not gonna die! Oh, this is just scary as man, I ain't gonna lie. Listen, come lay under and I'm just in a puddle. I'm in a puddle. I've got a lever bar that's about as thin as a stick. So what, I've soaked the puddle up now anyway, boys, so. If anyone did want to get under, he wouldn't get wet, right? So what we've had to do, people, is you can't pull the engine far enough forward with the cross member in. So Lou and Vin went out and they researched, and we've discovered the cross member's got to come down to get the engine far enough forward, to get it away from the torque tube, to get it out of the car. So let's get it. Are you down here for moral support? Are you watching what I'm doing? See, I'm gonna have to work faster now. free as a bird. Wonderful. Yes. Shit, mate. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is not how you remove a Porsche engine. but we got there in the end. So I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join us next time where we'll be mocking up the 1.8 turbo engine in there and seeing all the trouble that's going to give us. Love, people.